Student, let us discuss new subtopic under management of cooperative organization, that is managing committee. Now, what is this managing committee? Why these managing committees are formed? For what reasons? Let us discuss something on managing committee. Managing committee is a group of people who are chosen or elected to make decisions about how an organization will run or make sure that particular jobs are done. So, in short, I can say managing committee takes decision about how an organization will operate, how the organization will function. Right? So I have put it here in a point form. Okay, what are the roles of managing committee? Now, as I said in the last class, the members are the owners of the cooperative society. They are also called as proprietors. As I mentioned, first point, members are the owners of cooperative society. Then they are also called as proprietors of cooperative society. Now what happens is, the member of cooperative society being numerous, okay, there are many members in a cooperative society, so all together cannot look after day-to-day matters of the society. Meaning the day-to-day work of the society cannot look by all the members of cooperative society. So they have to elect their representatives, okay, for the managing committee to manage. Okay, they have to elect representative, meaning who will going to represent, the person will going to represent on behalf of all the members of cooperative society. It's called as representatives. Okay, so they will going to elect representative. Then the managing committee looks after the management of the society. You can see there, next point, looks after the management. Okay. So now managing committee is also responsible for efficient conduct of the business of the society. Meaning for smooth functioning, for smooth running of cooperative society, managing committees are responsible. Okay. So, as I said, managing committee is a decision-making committee. Now, the authority and management flow from top to bottom. Now, what is this top to bottom? As I already discussed in the previous classes, organizations divided into three levels: top level, middle level and lower level. Right? So, top level consists of superior followed by subordinate and then supervisory lower level. Right? So the authority, powers, responsibility flow from top to bottom. Okay. So now the members of managing committee should meet together, okay, for the discussion or to take important decision at least one in each quarter of the year. Right? So now managing committee, as I said, is a decision making authority for the smooth functioning or running of the cooperative society. Let us recollect some important points once again. Managing committee, here I have noted down, members are the owners. They are also called as proprietors. Okay, so they elect representatives. They also look after the management. They have certain managerial powers. They are also supposed to take decision. They are held responsible for efficient conduct of business. Okay, and they also follow the authority and management, okay, which is given by top level. Right? Superior followed by subordinate and then lower level. Okay, so managing committee is very, very important in cooperative society.